Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Like I promised when we moved to the mountains that I will try and cover offbeat places of Arunachal Pradesh in my vlogs. So this video is an attempt to do the same. Recently we went to Tawang, which is roughly 6 to 7 hours away from where we stay. I know Tawang isn't an offbeat location, but instead is a very popular tourist destination. But this video is not only a Tawang vlog, but it is about how we reached into the inner sanctums of the Himalayas through no man's land and almost non-existent roads to reach a holy waterfall in the Indo-China border when we were uncomfortably close to the China border. More on that later as we proceed in the video. On our first day in Tawang though, we went to visit the Tawang monastery. For those of you who are not familiar, Tawang monastery is the largest monastery in India and was founded in 1680 at the behest of the 5th Dalai Lama. And the Tawang region was under the control of Tibet until 1914. In 1914, Tibet gave up the whole Tawang region and the monastery to the British. We were fortunate to be able to witness the making of sand mandala by the monks inside the monastery. Sand mandala is a Tibetan Buddhist tradition involving the creation and destruction of mandalas made from colored sand. The process of making the mandala is a lesson in patience, while destroying it symbolizes Buddhist doctrine belief in the transitory nature of material life. One can also see some beautiful Thangka paintings in the monastery. A Thangka is a Tibetan Buddhist painting on cotton or silk applique. They often have elaborate compositions depicting the life of Buddha and other deities important for the religion. Hey. Next day, we started our journey early in the morning. It was rainy and foggy that day, with temperatures dropping below 10 degrees and oxygen levels dropping even faster as we ascended up the mountain to almost 15,000 feet above sea level. But we forgot all our worries as we made our way through mountains covered with wildflowers. I must inform you here that the road conditions kept getting worse, and therefore hiring a proper vehicle and a local professional driver is a must if you ever plan to make this trip. ইয়াকবিলাক বহুত ভয় পাত্ৰা ন তেহেঁতি চাগে ভাবে এইবিলাক গাড়ী আহিলে কি বস্তু Mama, tell us where we are going.
Oh, this place.
We are totally off-roading.
We are going to this place called Garam Pani, popularly known as
Chumi Gyatse
Chumi Gyatse.
Waterfall. 108 waterfalls in the same place. And they say that difficult roads
Lead to
beautiful destinations. So
we started off very early in the morning. So we have almost traveled for 2.5 hours now.
the driver is saying we'll reach in 45 minutes or so.
Yeah, we have already covered. So maybe another 1 hour. Then I think we have to trek for another half an hour there. But the landscape is beautiful. You cannot do photography at every place because of army presence. Nevertheless,
We're almost in China.
yeah, stones throw away. You never know, they may be looking at us from
Yes.
somewhere.
And through dense ancient forests and towering mountains, we kept moving forward to our destination. हाँ, और 1-2 साल में शायद बन जाएगा ना रास्ता. Some parts of the road was under construction, as this is a very crucial area for Indian Army, as the Chinese border is very close to us. So I hope the road will be constructed in a few years so that this journey can be enjoyed better.
अब अझै अगाडि पनि उठाउँछ छोटा गाडी चलाउँदै आउँछ
So, a back-breaking journey and many Bollywood, Tibetan, and Nepali songs later, we finally reached our destination. And now it was time for us to walk towards the waterfall. So, let's go.
हाँ, आराम से जाएगा हम लोग. सही में पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है ना ऐसा.
Chumi Gyatse waterfall is considered a holy waterfall by the Buddhist people. Supposedly, there are 108 points through which the water falls down, depicting the 108 rosary beads of Guru Padmasambhava, who blessed the people with the holy water to cure them of any illness. Even now, people consider the water to have magical powers to heal. This waterfall is also known as Domsang in Tibetan and Dangjang in Chinese. Many areas around the waterfall cannot be filmed due to army presence.
भय गेले.
After a little bit of hiking up a narrow road, we reached the Indo-China border, and right across from us was a poster of Xi Jinping, and we were thrilled to be so close to the border. We could see cars rolling down the Chinese highway across from us. After this thrilling experience, we were invited by the Lieutenant Colonel of the army base there to have some coffee with him, and we had a very wholesome conversation with him. And just like that, it was time for us to leave this beautiful, beautiful place. I have no words to describe how beautiful this place is. It really felt very holy like, because it is deep inside the jungles of the Himalayas, and nothing feels more holier to me than nature anyway. So this was all from today's vlog. I hope you liked the video. Leave a comment if you want to know anything else about how to make this trip and all. And also like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will see you in my next vlog. So bye for now.